The Awesome Aquifer Kit was created to let kids and adults and users really see groundwater. It's always a struggle to get them to understand it because it's not something you can see. You can't go outside and look at groundwater like you can a lake or a river. So we wanted to create something that lets kids and adults really see it, see how it moves, see how it's connected to surface water, and see how it can become contaminated. So that's really where the kit came from, was wanting to give users an opportunity to see all those things and really experience it while they learn about groundwater.
Hi, my name is Carol Uttersberg, and I'm the area supervisor for all vocational sites. We support people that have developmental disabilities. Sometimes they have physical disabilities as well. They usually choose to come to our agency. There's different agencies throughout Lincoln that they can work for, I guess is the word that I would use. And so when they do come here, we have different contracts for them that they can work on, and one of them is our groundwater, and there are a lot of people that really enjoy doing that. There's a lot of different steps to it, and so there's a lot of different skills involved, and so I think that it keeps them very engaged.
Through the Awesome Aquifer Kits, it's been really cool to make this connection with an agency here in town that's doing great things, and to connect with them and have a bigger impact on our community. And that they, again, not only earn money and learn job skills, but they learn about groundwater too. And they see that they're part of the bigger picture, and that they're helping these kids and everybody learn about groundwater, and they're part of that bigger story and that bigger picture of helping groundwater education.